So it's still January, which means that at this point, some of us are proudly checking off boxes under a list titled New Year's resolutions. Some of us are already breaking the promise to ourselves that this year would be different, and some of us are laughing at the people who made any resolutions to begin with. But there's one thing that I want to do this year more than anything else, and that is embrace the suck. This is a phrase that I heard from a YouTuber named Abdaal, and he has absolutely nothing to do with skateboarding. He actually was using this idea of embracing the suck to help him deal with procrastination, but I thought that it was just so fitting for skateboarders everywhere. Progressing often sucks, but it's still early 2022, so a lot of us are probably still excited about all of the tricks that we want to learn this year. But the truth is that a lot of us will probably spend this year failing to do the exact tricks that we wanted to learn. And it sucks. So above all else, what I want to do this year is embrace the suck. I want to go out and skate and have fun, messy sessions. Because at the end of this year, it's going to be all of those terrible moments and difficult sessions that are going to combine together and get me that much closer to all those tricks I want to learn. And it will probably suck, but I am more than willing to embrace it so that I can enjoy another year filled with lots of skating. And maybe I'll be a few steps closer to some of the tricks that I want to learn by the end of the year. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope to see you next time.
Taking